So welcome to episode 3 on how I'm building a 100 million company, okay, AI company. So you guys know that today we are going to, add brain to our AI, and you know that without brain, even human being cannot think, even human being cannot reason, even human being is useless without AI. So is the same thing with AI. If you don't give it brain, it will not think. Like in the previous video we did, which is episode 2, where we tried to ask it something, it couldn't answer anything because of why? No brain to think. Are you getting me? This is the reason why I'm showing you this step by step, so that even a kid will understand, even an elderly woman will understand, even a teenager, everyone will understand what you are doing. That's the reason why I'm following this step by step. Okay, so in this episode we are going to give our 16 employee, which is the AI, we are going to give it brain to think, and when it thinks, it's going to give us the new answer, so that we keep hitting it, okay, so that we keep making this money. See you guys, let's smash this together. We are winning. You know that in the last video, which is episode 2, we employ 16 AI, okay, and today we are making them intelligent by giving them 1 share of memory, okay, memory system, so that they can think. And before I paste this prompt, okay, immediately hiring 16 employees that forget everything every 5 minutes. That is why memory is the most important features in any AI, okay? Without memory, your AI is nothing. So let's start right now. We are going to paste the prompt here. We are going to paste the prompt here. You can see where I'm touching. We paste it here. So when we paste it here, you can see it right here. So what we are going to tell this prompt is to continue working, okay? We click on this place, you can see where I'm touching, or you click on this place here. So once we click on that, it's going to start doing the magic the way you normally do it, okay? So in the last episode of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus. It's kind of gift that you will never forget in your life, joining me from day 1 to day 10 of this workshop we are doing right here. So I'm going to give you something that will enable you to always remember me anywhere you are, okay? This is just to tell you that what you are doing is very deep. What you are doing is something that, if you are smart enough, you can use this to make thousands of dollars, millions of naira. Okay, if you are using your brain very well, you think out of the box. I was on my Facebook one day, and an ad pop up, and you imagine that someone is teaching people how to build websites with Lovable, but this person is not showing that person the Lovable. It just tell you that with this app I'm going to show you, you can build an app, and this person is charging 10,000 naira in naira, 10,000, okay? So, and a lot of people have been asking him, how do we join? Let's just imagine that this person right here has like 100 people joined, 10,000. You can do the calculation with me. 10,000 times 100, because he has like thousands of people in the comment section of that app asking him how to join. Okay, let's just say that 10,000 naira times 100 people, just 100, let's just say 100 people here, is 1 million. Okay, is 1 million. And these people now, let's just say he made expenses of let's just say he made expenses of 100,000 for the ad, is 900,000, and this is something that he keep doing continuously. I'm just telling you the the kind of opportunity you will get in this workshop we are doing right now. Don't joke with it, because you don't know where it's going to take you to. I'm just showing you this person is making 900,000 after expenses, and this kind of marketing, you are not shipping anything to that person. It just, he will be in his laptop or phone. Those people say is not even teaching you with phone. You must get laptop if he must teach you this. Okay, let's just imagine that he keep doing this every month, 900,000 every month, because I know that he's going to be more than 900,000. Let's just say 900,000 times 5 months. So it's going to be 4,500,000 in 5 months. 4,500,000. And I know that it's going to be making more than this. And for the ad, he's going to be paying just 100,000. Let's just imagine that this person grew more. Like 100 people, 200 people, 300 people are joining his workshop. And this video is something that he did just once. You don't know what a lot of people are making in this field. So let's go back. And okay, it's done with the, so what it just did, comping brain model is live, dashboard, categories, quick deep search, favorite pinned, achieve / restore, and every memory flows through one shared model that AI employee can read. So you can see it here. Let's log in. So we are in right here. Remember what I always tell you, to click on this. If you want it to be more bold, you click on this place here. So you click on that place. So this one is for my own sidebar here. You can see the sidebar. So everything is in place right now. You can see that here your AI workshop, your AI workforce is ready. 16 specialists across strategy, marketing, content, design, engineering, and operations. So once I click on this open workforce, it's going to come to this place and open here. All right, so we are going to test it. Okay, you can see the comping brain here. You click on comping brain. So comping brain, the central memory for every AI employee. Anything stored here in real before your workforce respond. Okay, so you can see that each project you are doing here is going to store here, then it will respond. So let's go to this work, and okay, before then we go back. So you can see added this week, you can see favorite, pinned, and total memories. So here is deep search. Then you can come to categories. You can see all categories here. That's the business information, project, goals, mission, vision, brand guide, guidance, product, service, customers, competitors, meeting notes, research, marketing idea, sales notes, financial notes, legal notes, company documents. So I click on all categories. You guys don't know what we are building here. This is something that you are going to say, wow. Okay, so all of it has its own task here. You can see every of them has its own task. You can see if you want to search about social media manager, you are going to come to this particular one, right? If you are trying to design on brand visual from social assets to full campaign, you are going to use this one. So this one is Dara or for. If you want to ask Dara or for anything about software engineer, you are going to come to Dara or for here. So guys, you can see that in this episode 3 is just to give it a share of memory to each others here. Okay, so in episode 4 is when the memory is going to start working. The memory is not going to just start working by sharing memory to each of it. Okay, so giving them a share of memory and knowledge base. So in this episode 4, we are going to enter, we are going to build the AI execution engine. So assigned task actually start running through a walkthrough. Okay, so that's the next episode we are going to join right here. You can see that the comping brain is here. Everything is adding up gradually. This is just the beginning, and if you are following this setup, you are going to build a massive company that a lot of people will be paying you thousands to be part. Okay, so in this episode, all we do is to give it share of its own brain. Okay, so in the next episode we are going to start making it to work. The brain is ready, but a brain without communication is not enough. So in episode 4, those AI employees will start talking to each other, assign work, reviewing each other's outputs, and acting like a real company. That is when Empire OS truly comes alive. Okay, so this is a call to action. If you are following this challenge on your phone, hit subscribe, because the next episode is where the AI employees finally begin working together. Okay, so this is all for this episode 3. See you guys in episode 4. Smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you give me a sweet comment. Share this video, share this video, share this video, please share it. That's the only thing I'm asking you. Share it with your friends so that they can learn. Okay, so see you guys at the top.